Hello and welcome back to another episode of Minx's Pocket Dreams. Oh, on the way to work, and this weather's fucking me off. Every time I clean my bike. In the summer I enjoy cleaning my bike because it seems to stay clean for fucking ever. In the winter it lasts about 6 hours, and then once the ground's wet you may as well have not washed it because it'll just get fucking filthy anyway. Especially sports bikes, they just flick mud all over the back end. All gets over the pillion seat. Oh mate, it gets everywhere. It's a pain in the arse. Now I have a confession to make. I have a big confession to make. I am a fucking idiot. I'm a massive idiot. Because I was cleaning this bike the other day, and you know, the normal shiz. I was cleaning under the wheel arch at the back and the rear hugger, and you know, getting in all the nooks and crevices. And I've had this bike for fucking 9 months. So I'm cleaning my bike, and I was cleaning the exhaust, and I've always noticed as I'm cleaning it, there's like a rivet on the underside of the exhaust. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna have a look at this rivet. So I looked in the exhaust, I looked at the rivet, and I thought to myself, do you know what? I think that's a removable baffle in the exhaust, like a DB killer in the end of the exhaust. Because my bike weren't exactly quiet, but it wasn't like, you know, most 600s scream, right? And it's like, it was, if you gave it, then it would scream, but it's like it was still fairly quiet for a 600. So I looked under, and what did you have it? It's an Allen headed bolt. So I thought, no, I can't have had this bike for this long and not realise that there's a fucking removable DB killer in it. So I got my tools out, I undone the screw, I took it out, and fuck me, it's only the fucking DB killer, isn't it? So there's a new sound in town. What do you think? Does she sound any meaner? She back pops like fuck now. I reckon she sounds more like a 600. She sounds more like a screamer. Oh, we get through that. Ginger light, don't count. I was going to buy a new end can, like a stubby carbon fibre one, just because I wanted to have a removable DB killer, so that when I want to, I can make her sound tastier. And now I've got it. Well, I didn't have to spend that money. I was looking at spending like 300 quid. So that's a nice little bonus. Why, I say, chap, you've not to spend any money now. How bloody brilliant is that? So yeah, I think it sounds much nicer. I'm looking forward to Christmas. so I can fucking eat what I like. I always seem to be on a fucking diet because, well, yeah, I always seem to be on a fucking diet, and, I break that diet around the Christmas time. Because Christmas is the time for shit food. You get your chocolate. Chocolate is lit, fam. Chocolate. And I do like chocolate. Never used to be a fan of chocolate, but as I've got older,